Hello everyone, I am back here with this red velvet cream cheese cupcake. This is a nice alternative if you don't like that sweet frosting on top, plus it travels very well. If you like cheesecake, then this is great. It's a nice combination. So here's the recipe. So for our recipe, we will have flour, cocoa, baking soda, salt, oil, sugar, vinegar, egg, food coloring, vanilla, and sour cream. And that is for the batter. And if you are a serious red velvet baker, I suggest invest in one of this big red food coloring that I got at Smart & Final. Or you could probably find it in a restaurant supply store. And for our filling, we have here sugar, cream cheese, egg, and vanilla. Let's get started by mixing our wet ingredients. We have here oil, vinegar, eggs, sour cream, and red food coloring. And this recipe makes about 8 to 9 cupcakes, and I have tripled my recipe. So let's mix all these ingredients gradually. And let's put together our dry ingredients. So I have here flour, salt, baking soda, and cocoa. Please sift your cocoa. You don't want little balls of cocoa in your batter. It will be very unpleasant when somebody bites into the cupcake and somebody gets a little ball of cocoa. So let's mix all these dry ingredients and let's add these ingredients slowly to our wet ingredients. Now let's add our vanilla. Then let's mix our cream cheese filling together. I have here cream cheese, egg, vanilla, and sugar. Make sure your cream cheese is in a room temperature. It mixes very well when it's at room temperature. For the meantime, we have our oven preheating at 350 degrees. And let's not forget to scrape the side of your bowl just to make sure everything is mixed in. So I have lined here my muffin tin with this paper cups. It's disposable. And our first layer, we will be putting about a tablespoon of the red batter. And we'll be alternating this with the cream cheese. 2 layers of the red batter and then 2 layers of the cream cheese. So our next layer will be the cream cheese, which is about, I would say, 3/4 or about half a tablespoon of cream cheese. And for our next layer, so don't worry about if it's not perfect. They all cook beautifully. So we have 2 layers of cream cheese and 2 layers of the red batter. Now our last cream cheese is just a little dot on top. It's gonna look like it's a bullseye. Just a little dollop just like that. And make sure your pan is about, your cups is about 2/3 full. Don't worry if it's not perfect, they would cook evenly and beautiful. So let's put this in the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes. It depends on your oven. And there it is, beautiful layering of the cream cheese and the red velvet. It is so yummy. I love this recipe, always a big hit at work. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.